Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to cancel your Zoom subscription via web browser. Firstly, open your favorite web browser and sign in to Zoom's website. From the left pane, navigate to Plans and Billing, then select Plan Management. Find the plan you wish to cancel and click Manage. Select Cancel Plan and confirm your cancellation. Then, if you want, provide feedback if prompt. Then click Continue to click the process, and as simple as that. Make sure to inform your team about the changes before canceling, such as rescheduling meetings and alternative arrangements. And it is the same process for the Android or iOS system. So, and that's it. There you have it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Now I'll see you on the next one.